Hey Transformers, I want to make a quick video and show you how you can connect your Myfitnesspal to your Trainerize and how to start tracking your food on Myfitnesspal. So let's go over to your Play Store or your Apple, and then you're going to download Myfitnesspal right over here, and then let's install that. Alright, as that's downloading, we're going to go ahead and go back to our Trainerize app, hit Trainerize. You're going to go into the bottom right where it says More. You're going to click More. And you're going to scroll down where it says Connect. And then you're going to see Myfitnesspal right here. So click Myfitnesspal. You're going to click Connect. Alright, and then you have to create a quick account on Myfitnesspal. Make sure to remember the password. So authorize. Done. And then here I'm going to turn on diary syncing, which is really important. So turn that on. And then now I've successfully connected Myfitnesspal. So now let's go over to Myfitnesspal and I'll give you a quick tutorial on how this works. Hopefully by now my Myfitnesspal app has downloaded. Yep, it has. So I'm going to click Myfitnesspal. I'm going to log in. When you log in, you don't need the premium account, so just exit out of here. Alright, perfect. So here, this is your Myfitnesspal. Now, depending on the meal plan that you receive, you're going to set up your calories accordingly. Okay, so to set up your calories, you're going to hit the top left-hand side, the drop down where it says More. You're going to hit scroll down, and then you're going to go to Goals. Once you go to Goals, you're going to input your current weight, your weight goal, and then your weekly goal per week. If you're trying to lose weight, you're going to aim to lose about 2 pounds per week. If you're maintaining your weight, you're going to aim for weight maintenance. Here, let's say I'm trying to lose weight, lose about 2 pounds per week. Activity level, I'm going to put here, if you're sitting a lot during the day, I'd put not very active. If you're on your feet for most of the day, then you can put lightly active, okay? So for me, let's just say I sit on the desk most of the time. I'm going to put not very active. I'm going to set that in. Next, I'm going to hit calorie, carb, protein, fat goals over here. And then I'm going to set this up according to your meal plan. So here on your meal plan, calories is going to be 120, carbs is going to be 50, protein, it says here that it's going to be 25%, so I'm going to bump that up. Fats, I'm going to bump this down to 25%, and I'm going to hit this check mark button, okay? So just follow what your meal plan says on your Trainerize meal plan, and then just sync up your percentages here and also your calories, okay? Next, you're going to go to back, hit goal again, and it's very important that you make the sharing public so then I can see what you're tracking. So you're going to scroll down, you're going to hit settings, you're going to go diary setting, you're going to hit diary sharing, and then from private you're going to hit public. Okay, after you do that, let's go back and let's start tracking your food. So top left hand side, you're going to go to diary. Let's say for breakfast I had some toast. I'm going to go add food. I'm going to click in, say, toast. Bottom right hand side, I'm going to hit search. And let's say I had one slice of toast and it was whole wheat toast over here. So I'm going to click that, and then from here I can see that it's 100 calories, it's 18 grams of carbs, it's 1.5 grams of fat, 4 grams of protein. At the top you'll see the percentage breakdown. 70% of the calories coming from carbs, 13% coming from fats, 16% coming from protein, okay? Here I had one slice, so I'm going to hit check mark over here. Next, for vegetables, I had some spinach on the side. So I'm going to take that in, a cup of spinach, oops, spelt it wrong. Click that here, and then what's very important is the number of servings and also serving size. So serving size, I had 1 cup, about the size of my fist, and then over here I'm going to change that to 1 serving, save, and I can see the percentage breakdown, and I'm going to hit check mark on the top right hand side. Perfect. Next, I had some scrambled egg whites, so I'm going to type that in. Alright, now when you're searching food, very important, here on the right you're going to see all the calories. So it's typically not the highest one. Here I see something that's 592, and it's typically not the lowest one. Here I see 13. It's probably somewhere in between, about like the 100 range. So here, egg whites, I see 1 cup is about 100 calories. That looks pretty accurate, so I'm going to click that. You can see here that 1 cup is about 26 grams of protein, so that's fantastic. I'm going to check mark that here. Perfect. So now, just based on this meal, I can see that I've consumed 200 calories. I have 984 calories left. And when I scroll all the way down, I can hit nutrition. Top right hand side, hit macros. And then these are the macros that I want to see on your MyFitnessPal. So you're simply just going to take a screenshot of this and you're going to text me this every day at the end of the day so I can see what your percentages are. So I want you to hit your targets. Here I have your target set at 50% carbs, 25 fat, 25 protein. Depending on meal plan, this may or may not be different. Okay? So I hope this helps, and if you have any questions, just let me know. Chat soon. Bye for now.